Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are back in my bathroom because I want to redo my hair. So as you can see, they are pretty pink. There's quite a bit of bluish and they are a little bit gray at some places. And the first step I want to do is I want to do a bleach bath, and I found a recipe that I want to try. So I am going to use some dish soap, baking soda, developer, and shampoo. The recipe says to use purple shampoo. I don't have purple shampoo, so I'm gonna use what I have. That's my cat. We are going to measure everything. The recipe says to use 10 volumes. The girl that was in the video used 20 volumes, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of both. And I'm gonna use a bowl to mix everything up. I'm gonna put this in my hair, leave it for 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and we'll see the result. Smells really bad. Okay, so it's been about 30-ish minutes. So I'm just gonna check to see what it did or didn't do. I know it says 45 minutes, but I just want to check to know what it looks like. And I'll see if I leave it 15 minutes more. Didn't seem to have done a lot, so I'm gonna leave it maybe a little bit longer. Don't think it worked. So we'll do 15 minutes more and we'll rinse it out, and I'll see you after. Hey guys, editing Faye here. So can you believe it's the third time that I'm actually recording this outro, because the first time I did was just after the footage that you just saw, and it didn't record. I cannot find the footage, so it just didn't work. And then I recorded another outro and the microphone wasn't working, so there is no sound at all. So I'm doing this outro now while editing. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit my thoughts on everything. So the first, I wanted to do a bleach bath because I wanted to put color, but I really like the results. So I really want to keep this hair for a while. I think it's super fun. It's like unicorn hair. So yeah, I decided to keep it like that for a couple of days or weeks. Like, I don't know how many time I'm gonna keep it, but I really like the results. So the funny part was that it actually bleached my roots, which I was not expecting because there's no bleach powder in the mix. So I wasn't expecting it to bleach the hair. So I don't know if you can see, but on the roots there's like a red part here, which was my natural hair color. So now it's red, which is super weird. And on this part here, I don't know if you're gonna see, it's completely like orange yellow. So it actually bleached my hair there. Also, there's a lot of blue that came out, which is super cool. It was actually the purple, I think, that was there. So the bleach bath just kind of removed all the red or pink pigment that was in my hair. So that's pretty neat. It's super cute, I think. It's like a baby blue. So I'm not mad at it. What I liked about the bleach bath is that it actually removed all the gray that was in my hair. There was a lot of it. I think it was like the green or something mixed with the pink. I think it did like a grayish hue, and it removed it all completely. Now it's more like white. So I think it's better. So that's why I like the result, because I don't mind pastel colors at all. But the gray was really, really distracting. So now I'm kind of happy about the result. Also, just to point out, I didn't straighten my hair at all. This is how they came out. I just dried them and they are completely straight, which is super weird. I was not expecting my hair to look like that. As I said in another video, I used to curl. So to have straight hair like that is pretty amazing to me. I think that the mixture kind of removed all the oil that was in my hair, all the moisture and everything. So I'm pretty impressed with the results. So like, my hair actually look good. They do not look damaged, which is a good thing, because I was a little bit scared. You never know, like, when you put a mixture on your hair. So that's pretty cool. So as I said, I'm gonna keep this for a while. I don't know how many times. I'll see, and when I do the actual color that I wanted to do, I'll show you. I'll film everything and I'll show you. So tell me what you think in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button to let YouTube know that you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.